everyone, it's Suze. Today I have the best buffalo chicken nachos coming at you. So let's start this video by making the sauce that we're going to put on our nachos. Really no measurements here. I'm just using some ranch dressing, whatever salsa that you like, some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, salt and pepper. I'm just going to mix this up and we're going to keep tasting it to see if it has the right consistency that I want. We don't want it too watery, we don't want it too thick, and the salsa really helps with that. All right, we're going to give it a taste. Very good. Now, you can see the color of it. It has a little red to it because of the salsa. But if you didn't want that much taste of the salsa, you can always add more of the ranch dressing. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's whatever you prefer. So I bought some tortilla chips that are pretty much thick. They're not the cafe style or the restaurant style because those aren't going to hold up. You need something a little bit thicker for all the ingredients that we're going to put on these nachos. And I have them on a tray with some parchment paper on the bottom, and I just sprayed some of this avocado spray on the top just to keep these nice and crispy. Go ahead and put your oven on 400 degrees. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add some of our toppings. So the first ingredient is going to be some frozen corn. I have 1/3 of a cup here, and I'm letting it thaw out. And we're going to put that on. If you don't like the corn, don't put it on, okay? The second ingredient is some drained black beans. These are really good. Now, if you're having a party, these are going to go fast, so you might want to make a bigger tray of these. Next, we're going to have some red onion. If you want, you can put scallions on. All right, those are on. Good. Next, we're going to take some of this deli chicken. Now, this is buffalo style deli meat. I had the lady behind the counter cut me a 1-inch chunk, and I just cut them into small pieces, and we're going to add that to our nachos. It's so much easier than taking chicken and cooking it and all that mess, because I can take all of this chicken and prep all these ingredients the day before the party and have it all ready to go and just put it on the tray. Okay, that was about a cup. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. You can see that these are loaded, okay? Got a lot of stuff on here. That's why we need those thicker chips. And some Colby Jack cheese all around. This wasn't quite whole cup of each, but you put on as much cheese as you want. Okay, the next thing is some jalapenos. If you don't like them, don't put them on. You can use green chilies, would be good too, but I like jalapenos, and I'm going to put a lot of them on here. Awesome. Now I have some chopped tomatoes. Those are going on the top. Put on as many as you want. Just decorate it as much as you want. All right. Now we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now that's with my oven. Your oven might run a little hotter, a little colder, so you're going to have to keep an eye on it. We just want the cheese to melt and them to feel a little bit crispy. We don't want them soggy, okay? Here they are, right out of the oven. I cooked mine for 15 minutes. Now we have to put on our sauce. And nachos, they cannot be dry. I have to have some sort of sauce. So we're gonna pour that on. Just like that. Add a little bit of parsley. And these are the best buffalo chicken nachos you've ever had. They're crispy. They're just full of deliciousness and cheese. Do you see that? They're gonna be awesome. So if you like this recipe, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I have a lot of wonderful food on my channel, so check it out. Until next time, bye.